everyone, Pratik here from MakeForms, and today I am excited to share 5 important updates that we have just launched. These updates are focused mainly on phone number verification and file handling, two areas where we've seen a lot of feedback and requests from all of you. Now, OTP verification has been one of the most loved features in MakeForms. The reason is simple. You can enable OTP verification inside your forms without writing a single line of code, without managing APIs from third-party providers like Twilio, and without any complicated setup. In the last few months, we have received a lot of feedback from our users on how to make this even better. And based on that feedback, we have rolled out these new updates. Let's start with the first one. Phone number fields are now getting smarter. As soon as someone opens your form, the system automatically detects their location and sets the ISD code for them. That means no more scrolling through a long list of countries just to find the right ISD code. And another big improvement, if someone pastes their full number including the ISD code, the system will now split it automatically. The code goes in the ISD field and the rest goes in the number field. This saves time, reduces mistake, and makes the whole process feel natural. The second update is about the SMS-only verification. Earlier, our default flow was to first try sending the OTP on WhatsApp, and only if the user clicked resend, it would fall back to SMS. Later, based on your feedback, we added a small checkbox that lets users confirm if they had WhatsApp on their number. But many of you told us you want a simpler option. Skip WhatsApp completely and just send the OTP through SMS. So now we've built exactly that. You can enable SMS only mode, and every verification code will go directly to the phone number via text message without involving WhatsApp at all. To enable this, click on the phone number field in your form builder, turn on the verification, then go to the Advanced tab. You will see an option that says Verify using SMS only. Turn that on, and from that point, all verification codes will be sent only through SMS. This ensures consistency and avoids confusion for users. The third update is called Verify First Verification. Here is how it works. Instead of showing the entire form right away, the system shows only the phone number field at the start. The rest of the form unlocks only when the phone number is verified. Why is this useful? In many cases, the phone number is the most valuable detail that you want. With this setup, even if someone abandons the form halfway, you have already collected a verified number. That means you can still reach out and follow up. To enable this feature, click on Enable Verification option on the phone field. Once that's turned on, you will see an option called Verify First. Switch it on. You can also customize the button text that appears on the form. For example, if you don't want it to just say continue, you can change it to something like unlock access or fill the form. To do this, go to the form settings, scroll to the bottom, and look for the continue button text option. Here you can set it to match your use case. Now let's move to the fourth update. Inline mobile number verification. This feature was designed to solve two real problems we noticed. The first one, when OTP verification happened after the form submission, many people skipped that step. So you would receive a form response but without a confirmed or a verified phone number. The second problem, when we forced verification first, before the form even opened, people sometimes abandoned the form after verifying the phone number, but never went on to fill the rest of it. This may not be intentional. So one approach gave you unverified numbers, the other gave you verified numbers but fewer completed forms. Inline verification fixes these. The verify button now sits inside the phone number field itself. People can fill out the whole form as they like, but when they try to submit, they won't be allowed to unless their phone number is verified. If they have not verified, they will get a clear message asking them to verify first. To activate this feature, go to your phone number field, enable verification, and you will see the option for inline verification. Turn that on, and from there on, no form can be submitted without a verified phone number. It's the perfect balance. Your users can engage with the form right away, but you are guaranteed that every submission has a verified number. And with this, you have complete control over how the verification flow works, whether it's before the form, inline, or after submission. All of this without writing a single line of code. MakeForms today offers one of the most comprehensive OTP verification systems available in the market. Finally, the fifth update. It's all about third-party uploads. Until now, whenever someone uploaded a file in your form, it stayed within MakeForms. But many of you wanted the option to move those files into your own storage systems. So with this update, you can now connect Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, or Dropbox, and every upload can go directly there. And it does not stop at user uploads. You can also route system generated files like custom PDFs or full response PDF into these platforms. This way, your data stays organized and stored exactly where you want it without any extra manual steps. To enable this, open your form, go to Integration tab. You will see options namely Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Box.com. Choose the one you want. Click Activate and then log in to the corresponding account and then allow access to MakeForms. Once this is done, all future uploads will be sent directly to that integration. Whenever a file is uploaded to one of these external platforms, an icon will appear in front of the Result tab inside MakeForms. Clicking on that icon will open the file directly from your storage. And if you are generating custom PDFs using MakeForms integration, you can also choose to send those to external platforms. To do this, go inside the activated integration and toggle the option that says Upload responses as PDF files. Once enabled, all response PDFs and custom PDFs will be stored in your connected integration outside of MakeForms. So that's a full look at the 5 updates. Number 1, smarter form number fields, SMS-only verification, verify first verification, inline mobile verification, and third-party uploads. All of these came directly from user feedback and are live right now in your MakeForms account. So go ahead and log into your MakeForms account and go through these updates. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these updates. So please drop your comments below and I will see you in the next video with even more new features. Till then, MakeForms great again. Thank you everyone.